Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to review the pan. I did get this pan from Macy's, and the overall pan is looking really good. The quality of the pan is really good, and it is a big pan, so you can do a lot of cooking at once. So I really like this thing about the pan. It is a big pan, the quality of the pan is amazing. So let's test it out, and I'll be doing some heavy cooking. And today I'm making an Indian dish. I'm making a decent version of a chickpea curry. It's in Hindi called chole, and I'll be adding some decent quality of masalas and all those stuff, and we'll be cooking. And here I am boiling chickpeas, and it takes like good 15 minutes to boil chickpeas. And after boiling them, I had added two potatoes, and I'll be boiling them as well. And then we'll be like doing some grinding, some blending of tomatoes and onion, and let's get started. So for the preparation of chickpea curry, or the chola in Hindi we say, I'm adding these spices, and in the description box below I'll be adding all these spices, what all spices I'm using. And now it's time to grind our onion, garlic and ginger. So I'll be grinding these well, like I'll be making a thick paste out of it, and then later on we'll be adding one tomato. So here I'm taking 5 to 6 spoons of oil. You can use any blend of oil, any oil whichever you prefer. And in the oil I'll be adding the spices. I am using mustard seed, cumin, clove, black pepper, cardamom and some cinnamon, and I'll be adding 2 bay leaves. And make sure it doesn't get burned, because when you are using these, it just fries really fast, and you have to make sure that you add the onion, ginger, garlic paste fast, and it doesn't burn. So here I'm using one big tomato. You can use a chopped tomato if you want to use the tomato, like if you want to cut them and then use it, you can use that as well. It is very easy. And one more thing is that I'm just trying to make a very decent version of chole and chickpea curry, and there are many ways to do it. You can add more spices, and there is one particular spice which comes just for chickpea, and it is called like the chickpea garam masala. So at any store you can find them, like all store carries it, and most of the time you can just go to an Indian store and they have like all the varieties of it. And now I'm sorting them out really nicely, and I'm blending it, and I'm just making sure that everything mix really nicely, and it just makes a nice fine paste. And we'll just let it fry for like good 5 to 6 minutes, and we'll just make sure that it's not burning. So if you feel that it is burning, make sure that you turn the heat of your gas low, or if it is already cooked, if you feel that it is already golden brown, because right now my flame is high, so it is on number 5, so it is bit high. So here I have added all these spices together, and I'm mixing it well, and I'll be letting it cook for like good 5 to 7 minutes. And make sure it is not burning. If it is like getting stuck in the pan, because with this pan, this is a new pan, so I don't know how this pan is going to work, but overall I feel that this pan is doing really amazing work, nothing is been sticking, so it is a very good pan. And now I have mixed everything really nicely, and I'm letting it cook for like good 5 to 7 minutes. And then after, once it is done, I'll be adding some yogurt. So I'm using like 3 spoons of yogurt, and it just gives a nice yummy taste to it. So you can add little bit of yogurt, or if you want to add 5 or 6 spoons, you can add it. It just gives a really yummy taste. And depending on how much you are cooking, you can also add more spices to it. And this is almost cooked, so now it's gonna be like, we have to add the chickpea, the boiled chickpeas and the boiled potatoes. So now it is cooked well. So now I'm gonna be adding the chickpeas and potatoes, and we'll let it cook for like good 5 to 6 minutes. And then after, I'll be adding 2 cups of water. So you can make it really thick, and if you want, you can add some water, and it just gives nice yummy taste while you are eating it with puris, and it is not way too thick also. So with some kinds of chaat in India, people make it really thick, and that really goes well with the chaat. But with the puris, adding little water makes it more nicer. So this is all done, and now I'll be adding some cilantro. You can add some coriander, some cilantro, and some 4 or 5 mint leaves, and this is all cooked. So when you are adding water, make sure you cook it for like good at least like for good 7 minutes. And you can use a plate or a lid and just cover it and let it cook for like good 5-7 minutes, or even 10 minutes, it's fine. And this pan doesn't come with a lid, so I just used a plate to cover it up. But it is almost cooked. And now we are preparing some puris, and puris and choles are duo of each other, and they just goes together. And sometimes people make bhaturas, but over here I'm making puris. And I first prepared choles and the chickpea curry, like the chole and the chickpea curry. So after cleaning it with the soap, with the dishwashing soap, I cleaned the pan, and then I added the oil, and now I'm preparing puris. So you can see the pan is doing really good, and it is a very good all-purpose pan. So I just wanted something a very nice all-purpose pan, and I think I found it. This is the right pan for me. And the puris are coming out nicely. It is not even burning. Like, the flame is on 5, and it is a high flame. I'm using it on high flame, and the pan is working great. So overall, I can say it is a very good pan. And hope you guys like the video, and thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Bye guys, stay safe.